Your current electric toothbrush is secretly attacking your gums and you need to stop using it. I'm not talking about pain and recession that happens when high-speed bristles fight a war on your soft tissue. Hi, my name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and I am a tech expert, but honestly, I'm not. I'm just a regular guy who reviews the toughest tech on the planet. This is the dirty secret of power cleaning, but I have found the loophole. This right here is the Ranvoo AirJet II, and it is the first electric toothbrush to ditch abrasive friction and replace it with pure microscopic bubble power. I'm going to show you how this tiny device achieves a near perfect clean, and here's the kicker: reduces gum damage by 90% at the same time. If you have sensitive teeth or just want a better smile without the pain, you need to see what's inside this box. Every single person who's ever bought a powerful electric toothbrush has run straight into this classic dilemma: power versus protection. That's the challenge that traditional electric brushes force upon you. Look, we all have been conditioned to think that faster vibrations, harder scrubbing, and more aggressive bristles mean a better, deeper clean. But that simply is not true. Traditional electric toothbrushes, sonic, rotary, or sweeping, all rely on the same core principles: scrubbing your teeth with bristles. They only move back and forth, relying solely on friction to clean tooth surfaces. This creates a fundamental compromise. The better they clean, the more they irritate your gums. The reality is that excessive brushing force can damage the gums, which easily leads to things like gum bleeding and even permanent gum recession. Ranvu research actually revealed a critical insight into why this happens. They found that once a toothbrush stroke rate goes beyond 38,000 strokes per minute, you see no additional cleaning benefit, only more gum damage. It's like scrubbing a delicate painting with a steel brush. You're not making it cleaner, you're just tearing up the canvas. That's why your traditional brush is actively fighting your long-term oral health. The problem is that traditional toothbrushing leaves the gaps between your teeth not thoroughly clean, setting you up for cavities and tooth decay. The time for that compromise is officially over. So, if traditional friction-based scrubbing is the problem, what's the solution? Ranvu looked at professional tools, the stuff they use at the dentist, and said, we can miniaturize that. That's how they created the world's first bubble jet electric toothbrush. The system completely redefines cleaning using super bubble technology. It's all thanks to a tiny clever pump inside the handle. The handle houses a precision pump that actively sucks in air and mixes it with water and toothpaste to generate millions of microbubbles. These microbubbles are fired out using the unique brush head, which leverages the coanda nozzle to create a precise airflow. The key here is what happens next. These bubbles aren't just for show, they penetrate deep between the teeth and along the gum line. Traditional bristles can't easily get into those tiny gaps and fissures, but the microbubbles are liquid, so they can reach these dark corners where they expand and burst. That bursting action creates a gentle but powerful shockwave that gently lifts away plaque and stains without any harsh physical abrasion. It's a deep cleaning achieved with zero contact. You get the power of a sonic blast without the physical wear and tear, and it minimizes gum damage by 90%. This is where the rubber meets the road. Does the bubble power actually deliver better results? Yes, and it delivers results in two opposite necessary directions, proving you don't have to choose between a clean mouth and healthy gums. First, the deep clean. The non-contact microbubble shockwave achieves a massive 100% plaque removal rate. That is a high number, confirming this technology can thoroughly clean the tooth surface and gaps. This cleaning power is so effective it can literally clean the gaps between the teeth, making it a fantastic alternative to an oral irritator. Second, the protection. This is the most crucial part for sensitive teeth. Remember that high frequency scrubbing causes damage? Ranvoo engineered the AirJet II to operate intelligently below 25,000 strokes per minute. It uses 22,000 low frequency vibrations per minute, combined with the bubble technology to deliver thorough cleaning without damage. This approach is clinically proven to reduce gum damage by 90% because it's so efficient. People can use it with 39% less brushing time and 56% less force compared to traditional electric toothbrushes. Your teeth get the polish and your gums get the care. Ranvoo didn't just innovate on the inside, they upgraded the outside for the AirJet II by focusing on usability and style. The AirJet II features 5 modes: bubble gentle, clean, whitening, and travel lock. You also get the dynamic UI interaction language. The mode everyone asks about is the luminous whitening mode. This setting is designed specifically to pursue deep cleaning to meet the need for whiter teeth. It uses the power of the bubbles to actively target and remove pigmentations and stains from the tooth surface, giving you that extra sparkle. This is a key upgrade. The AirJet II features a brand new CMF color material finish, coming in 4 distinct colors: gray, white, blue, and purple. Why does color matter? Simple. Compared to other toothbrushes that might give you just one basic color, these 4 sophisticated choices satisfy the whole family needs. Everyone can choose the color they love, making the toothbrush feel much more personal and preventing counter-clutter confusion. You don't want to grab your mom's toothbrush. Ew. The AirJet II is built to last. It has a long 60-day battery life from its 1600 milliamp hour battery and a IPX7 waterproof rating. But the features that solve the long-term problems are crucial. Anti-mold coating. The handle features a CIC anti-mold coating, which is a huge win because it means no mold even after long-term use, ensuring great hygiene. It comes with a magnetic wall mount and wireless charger. It is both a wall-mounted stand and a wireless charger, which is clean, tidy, easy to store, and not easy to lose. Ranvoo this time around upgraded the gift packaging for a reason. The unboxing showcases the brand story, and it makes for an excellent Christmas gift choice for your important people like your mother. You're giving the gift of long-term health and confidence. The 4 color options means that you can perfectly tailor the gift to their style. The Ranvoo AirJet II fundamentally solves the compromises every mouth has faced: the pain of deep clean versus the protection of sensitive gums. It delivers 97% plaque removal with a 90% reduction in gum damage. Its innovative features like a sleek design in 4 colors and makes a perfect gift for the holidays. I put links to the AirJet II and the special holiday bundle deals down in the description of the video, along with an exclusive discount code if I can get it. Don't quote me on that. If it's down there, it might be down there, and it's probably going to be Gadget Beard, so you can save big. Click that link and finally stop letting your toothbrush hurt your mouth. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.